the second demonstration, we will be taking a look at another typical return order process. The items would need to be resent to the vendor in order to be repaired and not replaced. So typically we would also again start with creating a sales return order, and we will be doing so for the same customer as from the first demonstration. So let's click New, and we will fill in customer 10,000. As an external document number, we will be filling in R2 for return 2. And again, we will not be filling in the lines manually, but we will be using the same function, get posted document lines, to reverse. In this case, it was the attendance desk that the customer has received but was damaged. So we will be resending it to the vendor as well, since we will not be able to repair it ourselves. So the lines are filled in automatically again, and we will fill in a new return reason code as well. In this case, we will be choosing another reason code, and we will be using another one of the functionalities, inventory value 0. So let's take a look at the full list. So when we are setting up return reasons, we have an additional field called inventory value 0, which can be very useful in cases of repairs where we will only be having the items temporarily into our stock and making it so that it's not part of our value. So, okay. So this is the only item that needs to be filled in onto the return order, but the same item will need to be shipped to the original vendor. So we will need a purchase return order. Once the vendor has repaired the item, he will need to send it back to us, so we will need a new purchase order as well. And after receiving it from our vendor, we will be needing to ship it again to our customer, so we will need a sales order as well. All for the same items, so instead of creating all of these different orders manually, we can use a function called create return related documents. Here we can first select, of course, with the vendor to whom we need to be sending the item to, which we will be 10,000 in our example. Here we will see the different steps of creating a purchase return order, creating a purchase order, and creating a sales order, whichever is necessary in your scenario, but in our example we will be using all three. So by clicking OK, we will see an overview in a short minute from all of the orders that were created.